Hey aviators, it's Bram from DRMS Video Production, and these are the weekly announcements for March 2025, and this is...
Picket lines and picket signs. Don't punish me with brutality. Talk to me so you can see what's going on. What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Oh, what's going on? Right on.
In the classroom with Miss Calbert.
Is it good? What would you rate it? Is it good? What would you rate it?
9.1.
What's it taste like?
Isn't that amazing? You can let your other crew members, you want to let them taste it?
Hey viewers, it's Angelina from DRMS Video Production. I'm here with.
Judy Calbert, 6th grade science.
And what are you guys doing today?
Today we're making ice cream. Augustus Jackson developed the method for freezing ice cream, famous African-American man, and he found out that if you put salt on ice, that will raise the freezing temperature, and he could freeze ice cream faster and produce more.
And does the ice cream taste good?
Well, you guys tell me. Did it taste good? The crew ate some.
It tastes really
And
good.
I think, yeah, it tastes really good and it's vanilla flavored, and so kids enjoyed it. They enjoyed the activity.
Thank you.
Hey aviators, this is Lorraine from DRMS Video Production, and I'm here with...
Zariah, Emery,
What elective did you choose for next year?
Avid and Art.
Leadership and Avid. And why did you choose those?
Because the first one is Avid because I'm already in Avid and I want to do it all next year, and Art because I really want to draw.
I chose leadership because I feel like it would be good for me to get some experience in that because, yeah. And then I chose Avid because I'm currently in Avid and I want to continue.
Okay, thank you. This is Malaya from Video Productions, and I'm here with...
Milani,
Lorianne. What's your elective for next year?
leadership.
Either drama or art.
Why did you choose this elective?
Because I feel like it would be fun.
Art is like one of my hobbies and I really want to do performing arts in high school for drama.
I'm here with...
Nalea.
What elective did you choose for next year?
Leadership and art.
And why did you choose this elective?
I've been wanting to do leadership for a little while and I always thought it would be fun, and art, well, I like doing art.
I'm here with... Lana. Adelie. And what's your elective for next year?
Leadership.
Drama. Why did you choose that?
I thought it would be fun to help people.
I like theater. Okay, thank you. I'm here with...
Melina,
Charlotte. What elective did you choose for 7th grade?
Art. Art. Why did you choose this elective?
Because I like to draw.
Because I think I'm kind of good at it.
Tardy Policy.
Yearbook Sales!
There's my bed. Oh, there's my friends. We don't have much time to enjoy. Yeah. See my bed bigger than you ever did. 'Cause we don't have much time to enjoy.
Are you still waiting for that ball to hit me? Well, I'm still waiting for you to buy a yearbook. You can find posters around the street. Are you still waiting?
Let's learn about St. Patrick's Day together, aviators.
Hello, aviators. This is Would You Rather. Let's go interview students now. SpongeBob, be quiet back there.
Production. I'm here with
Hunter.
This is Would You Rather. Would you rather teach a group of senior citizens how to beatbox or do a TikTok dance?
I would want to teach them to beatbox.
Okay, thank you.
Back with Jeremy's video production. I'm here with
Bill.
And this is Would You Rather. Would you rather teach a group of senior citizens to beatbox or how to do a TikTok dance?
How to do a TikTok dance.
I'm here with
Javen.
This is Would You Rather. Would you rather teach a group of senior citizens how to do a TikTok dance or beatbox?
Beatbox.
Okay, thank you.
I'm here with
David.
And would you rather teach a group of senior citizens how to do a TikTok dance or beatbox?
Beatbox.
I'm here with
All right, thank you.
Tyson.
This is Would You Rather. Would you rather teach a group of senior citizens how to beatbox or do a TikTok dance?
Beatbox.
All right,
I'm here with
Zay.
And this is Would You Rather. Would you rather teach a group of senior citizens how to beatbox or how to do a TikTok dance?
How to do a TikTok dance.
Thank you. I'm here with
Leo.
And this is Would You Rather. Would you rather teach a group of senior citizens to do a TikTok dance or how to beatbox?
Probably do a TikTok dance.
All right, thank you.
Environmental tip of the week.
Hey aviators, this is Azari from DRMS Video Production. I'm here with
Amia.
London. What y'all got on?
I got on Raw Wave hoodie from his concert. Clock that. And Fashion Nova jeans, Vans, Kurt Geiger. Something simple for real, but.
I'm wearing Lulu, Marc Jacobs, my pants from Target, and my shoes from Nike.
All right, thank you.
Miko.
What you got on?
I got the black Air Forces, the purple jeans, the BBC hoodie under this, and then the Patagna puffer and the Nike ski.
Thank you. Hey aviators, I'm here with
Ibrahim.
What you got on?
Hoodie from H&M, sweats from Gap, and Forces from Foot Locker.
Okay, thank you. I'm here with
Jeremy.
Where your fit from?
Let's call it. Pretty much the whole fit, pretty much is like Gap. I got some Draco slats. I got this blue Nike Elite backpack. I got this joint for Christmas a long time ago. But yeah, I got it on backwards. I'm ready to bump anybody.
Thank you.
Show us more of you guys fit.
Hey Viters, this is Desire from DRMS Video Productions, and today I'm here with
Nolly, Yor.
And do you know when Spirit Week is?
No.
No. Do you know if you're going to participate?
Yes.
Yeah. So do you know which ones you're going to participate in?
All of them.
All of them. Which one are you most excited for?
Cartoon.
Cartoon. Okay, thank you.
St. Mary's.
Recipe of the week.
My name is Michael Alexander from Video Productions, and I'm here with
Antonio Anderson.
Can you describe to me a little bit about your position here at Dallas Ranch?
Yeah, I'm a map intern, intern with Bridge Builders.
Okay, can you describe to me a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, I was born in Richmond, California. I lived most of my life in Salinas, California. I graduated here from Antioch High School, and my aspirations are to become a great artist and one of the best fashion designers alive.
Okay. What excites you most about working here at Dallas Ranch?
Getting to know the staff and the students, getting to see all the experiences around me, getting to see everyone's excitement.
Okay, thank you.
Wellness tip of the week. Mental health.
Come on, talk to me so you can see what's going on.